it's Amber again with Creative Home Life, and this is our second video of great money saving apps that we're going to do. Today we're going to be talking about Checkout51, which is this one right here. And unlike Ibotta, this app doesn't require you to shop at any particular store. As long as the item matches, you can shop at any store you would like. Also, unlike Ibotta though, you cannot mix this app with manufacturer's coupons. It doesn't allow you to do that. So it's either one or the other, and sometimes these deals are better than manufacturer's coupons and sometimes they're not. But just like Ibotta, this one you need to make sure before you go to the store that, let's say we want to do the Ritz, right there, the Ritz deal. You have to buy any 2 Ritz crackers and you're going to receive 75 cents back. So you just need to click your little plus and click OK, got it? And now it is in your account all ready for you for when you go to the store to purchase your crackers. And again, once you do that, down at the bottom, there is a redeem button. And all you do is click redeem, click the offer that you would like to redeem. You're gonna click continue, and it's asking you to go ahead and take a picture of your receipt. So just like with Ibotta, you're going to give access to your camera. You're going to allow it. And you're just going to take a picture, making sure to capture the store's name, the date of the purchase, and make sure that you can read all of the receipt very clearly. We're going to go ahead and cancel out of that. Okay, so let's see what else this one features. We're going to look up here, and these are bonuses. So this is buy at Walmart bonus. And this is a earn up to 50 cents cash back with offers with this icon. So any offer with the Walmart icon, you will receive an additional 50 cents bonus, which is very nice. They also have a P&G Olympic Games winter games right now, of course. So we have an Olympic Winter Games bonus. With this one, you redeem offers with the icon of the P&G Olympic gold medal right here by Wednesday, and you're going to receive $250 back, or $350 if you redeem 4 offers. So there's a lot of money to be made on that one. This too, once you're all complete, it also cashes out straight through PayPal once you receive $20 in your Checkout51 account. I'm going to go ahead and post the link to this app that you can download in the App Store in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this app, and if you like it, if you use it, if you're a regular user of it, or if you dislike it. If there are things you don't like about it, let me know what those are. And then if there's any other apps that you would like me to discuss or that you think would be good for other people to know about, shoot me a comment and let me know, and we'll get those posted too. So again, this app for the day is Checkout51, right there. And this has been a Creative Home Life video. Let's give it a thumbs up so we know that you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch all of our latest videos, and we'll catch you on our next review. Thanks guys.